If you're in the market for a new apartment home on the Eastern Shore, you'll love East Bay Apartment Homes in Daphne. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home boasts 1,000 square feet of living space. The living area, kitchen, and bathrooms have luxury vinyl plank flooring. The kitchen has energy-efficient appliances. The bedrooms have plush carpeting and ceiling fans for increased comfort. This apartment also has in-home laundry connections, as well as a private patio. You'll love our wonderful amenities, including a boardwalk pier on Mobile Bay, an Olympic-sized saltwater pool, a pet park, a pavilion and grill area, and much, much more. Call or text 251-626-0234 to schedule your tour today.